beautiful day here. It's I don't know what day it is. What day is it today? 10th. The 10th. The 10th. Yeah. And so today is the scooter day, the motorbike day. So I'm gonna, the beautiful yellow one. I'm gonna have it for today and for tomorrow. I haven't really decided yet where to go, but I will go. I'm in the far end of the island right now, and I'm going to the other far end, kind of. And the gas is included, so so that is very nice indeed. Let's take it for a walk, shall we? A walk, a ride. So I'm out and about and have my first stop, and it took like, I don't know, 1 minute, because I've seen this in pictures. What, you might ask? Well, yes, this. And this has to do something with the lady that's in the pier, in the big pier when you come to the island. This flute-playing man is a prince called Ep39, and he's the hero of a poem written by one of Thailand's most beloved and respected poets, Southern Poo. Today, the poem is considered to be a national treasure. Well, the plot is somewhat complicated, but it tells the story about this Prince Ep39, his romantic adventures and misadventures. And it tells the story also about this mermaid who saves him from an ogress by guiding him to the wonderful island of Koh Samet. I have a little viewpoint here, stop, and I'm deciding that I'm going to the most southern part of the island. So this is actually, returning to. I was there 3 years ago as well, so it is returning to the roots. No, not the roots, something else. But it's a beautiful day. I have nothing more to say. So here we are. This is the most southern you can go by a vehicle. So I put it there. You see here, no entry with bicycle or motorbikes. So it's just walking from here. I'm not going to stay till the sunset and sunrise. So I'm just going to be here for the viewpoint. I think if I remember it right, you can go to 2 viewpoints. Oh, and it's a sunset viewpoint and a sunrise viewpoint, of course. Which one shall we do first? I think we do, I don't know, sunset, sunrise, because sunrise is coming before sunset. I think this is where I made a swing shot of myself. Maybe it's that. Yeah, it wasn't here, and I think I had to do it again to compare. Yeah, this is me 3 years older, swinging a swing. Is it here? I think it's here, but this thing here wasn't here 3 years ago, and that swing was on that side, and the tree was much taller. So you could actually have a picture like this, and imagine the tree here and the swing here and the island there. But now it's all ruined because of all this. Well, maybe the tree, you couldn't do it with the tree thing. Is there a shot? We'll see about this. This is Magnus not agreeing. So here we have the swing, and all of this is new. Kind of ruins the nature. And I was down there, but this wasn't here, because that's the viewpoint, another viewpoint over there. So now you can walk between them on this bridge thing, pier thing. I can see why. Okay, this is very convenient going from one end to the other, but it's sort of also ruined the thing. Well, they're planning to do a platform there as well. But I was walking down to this, and there's a little beach here, down here. Do you see it? Well, I can walk down there again, but now it's going to be a lot of, here thing. But okay, enjoy the southern part of Koh Samet. La 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 la. So now I took some pictures of me, and yeah, you're gonna. Oh yeah, here it comes, one of them. Let's see how far out I can go. So I'm thinking about going down there and over here, but I see you can take a little thing here. So I'm a little bit on the way. The only thing I'm regretting is that I should have taken my trainers, my gym shoes, my trekking shoes. Yeah, I'm on my way. Yeah, this isn't too difficult. Yeah, I'm sort of halfway. I went this way here, and here you can see people have been. I think this is like I was here and I want to come back kind of thing. Now I'm at, well, I'm not the furthest I can go, but I'm sort of at the top. I mean, this is the top. I'm shouting. This is the top south end. Now it's just downhill here. And I don't think I'm gonna walk there because you see my flip-flops. They get very slippery when I get a little sweaty from the sun and I don't know, from the heat. So yeah, and I don't want to slip out of them in these rocks. No, I do not. That was the highest point. So I rarely take my own advice. Now I have climbed down and I'm gonna jump there and at least go to there. If you're a mini man, you can. This was kind of a ravine or a canyon, and I am jumping. Oh, rubbish! Yeah, I'm jumping, walking over. It was not. I thought I saw a very big fish, but it was a human body. And there you have it. Welcome to the southern end. And they put out like a rock barrier here, so you cannot walk any longer. So this is it. This is it. Boom. I think I have to go back the same way because going on the side here, it was very like steep on the side here. So I think I had to go back. Wish me luck. And so I'm back, and now I think I'm going down again to go over to that beach over there and then go over the other side. And there we have that one, and that's the beach. And I made it to the beach, and I also remember all of these. They were here 3 years ago as well. Look, a lot of them. And now it's time for a swim. So that was glorious. Oh my goodness gracious, glorious. I've been in the water for quite a while and just been, for like 20 minutes, maybe half an hour, and sorting out stones in the water. So there will be more sand because there's very rocky. It's sand in the beginning, but it's rocky after a while. But now I think I'm going to. I'm going up to the bridge and going to the other viewpoint. There was a couple here. They did a thing like this. They collected stones here and they put up a rope and this. And don't know what it means. Maybe does mean that you want to come back here or come back to the island or something like that. And they went up to the bridge, and so I'm gonna do the same. So that couple, they put it there. Some of them, one of them. Still don't know why. And they went up on the bridge over here. because I can't continue down here because it's not possible. It's not possible. I tell you, it's not possible. So I have to go either way, go around or go up, and I think I will actually go up. So I'm ready to go up here. And there you have it. I'm up on the bridge. That's where I came from, and I'm going there. And there you have it. The bridge is no more. Welcome to the other side. Now let's see what this side has to offer. If I'm not wrong, I actually put one of those up here 3 years ago. You see, there's lots of them. There's lots of them. And I won't remember where. I sort of remember the area, and it's not here, it's up there. So I had to go up there somehow. I'm not going further out. No, I've been out to the most south part. So now I'm going in. And somewhere up there, I did it. 3 years ago, I did a thing like that. Still don't know why. I think it's like I was here, Kilroy was here, or I want to come back. This side is easier to walk because it sort of has a path like this. Well, maybe not all the way out, but around here, you see, it's easier. Oh, now what? Where do I go? Where do I go? Follow the stones? So this is the way up, but I'm going here, and this is kind of sort of the area that I did mine, and I have to find it. So here we have a lot of them. Yeah, no one is mine. Where are you? Here we have one, like in the open, like this. No, that's not mine. But I think I'm closing in. I think it might be this one, guys. Oh, no, I didn't do a tall one like that. No, I did not. Oh, and I see some of them has fallen apart, but mine was rock as a rock, solid as a rock, rock as a rock, solid as a rock. Ah, I found it. Oh my goodness, it has fallen. Yes, so I need to rebuild it. Ladies and gentlemen, I found my tower. I give you the magnitude, the tower, the magno tower, the mag tower, the mag tower. So now it's rebuilt until the end of time. It will stand here, looking out over the sea of Koh Samet Bay or something it's called. I don't know. So yeah, so the path is right over there to go down, and yeah, and there it is. So if I can see some old footage to see if I'm correct. So here's the area around it. Maybe it was here, maybe it was, I don't know. Somebody has maybe stolen my stuff, stolen my rocks, balls, rocks. Finger. Oh. Until next time, bye bye. So the time is actually 3:30. So I'm thinking about sort of heading home. Maybe stop at some beach on the way. Could be. Who knows? And now we're back to where we started. Well, kind of. Yeah, there was a crossroad for sunset and sunrise there. And we're back. I'm back at the end station here, and I imagine this is for the sunset. They have also some stools and stuff where you probably go here and maybe have a picnic or something. I can imagine this is a great day for a great sunset, I think. Look there, the weather is superb. You don't say that often, that about weather, right? Superb. The weather is superb. Maybe I'm gonna use that more. The weather was superb. Superb. I'm just tasting the word. We'll see if it comes up. The weather today was superb. Oh, I found the picture in my phone where I was here the last time 3 years ago and swinging the tree. And it was 2 swings. So they had cut it down and there was 2 swings. So yeah, here is the picture when I'm swinging the tree 3 years ago. Same place, different swing.